at, by, during, for, from, in, into, of, off, on, till, to, until, with, without. At,
Examples:
It happened at 10 o'clock. Our train went at 2:25.
Examples:
She married at 18. He left the school at 17.
Examples:
Have you looked at me? Everybody stared at me.
Examples:
She lives at Stratford.
Examples:
I saw her at the restaurant. I met her at the party. We can have coffee at my place.
arrived, arrival.
Examples:
They arrived at theater. On her arrival at Stratford, she went to her hotel. She is good at French. I was surprised at the result. We were delighted at the invitation. It was love at first sight. A truck was coming at full speed.
At dawn, at home, at least, at midday, at night, at noon, at sunrise, at the age of, at the airport, at the beginning of, at the bottom of, at the bus stops, at the end, at the price of, at the same time, at the top of, at the speed of, at the university, at weekend, by,
Examples:
by bus, by taxi, by train.
Food price went up by 5%. We have to be there by 10 o'clock. We went to London by Dover. She was sitting there all by herself. What does he mean by that? It happened by accident. We meet by chance. I took your keys by mistake.
During.
Examples.
During the summer. During my stay in Scotland. During war. During my absence. It rained a lot during my holiday.
Examples.
During his stay in prison, he has written many essays and poems. Some families live in the kitchen during a power cut. During the journey I come to like and respect them.
For.
Examples.
I have been working for 2 hours. He stayed there for 3 weeks. Are there any letters for me? I have got some good news for you. What can I do for you? I'm looking for a new job. They are searching for the thief. They sent for the police. I'm waiting for the postman. We went for a walk. I did it for the same reason. Fit for. Hope for. Late for. Leave for. Prepare for. Ready for. Sorry for. Ask for. Blame for. Care for. Easy for. Enough for. Famous for. Feel pity for. Late for. Leave for.
From.
Examples.
Tom tried to hide from his sister. She got this ring from Jane. We bought that house from Elwood. She borrowed $10 from me. I heard it from Tom.
In.
Examples.
We live in the 21st century. He died in 1634.
Examples.
On Saturday afternoon. On the morning of May 15th.
Examples.
My father was killed in the war. Everyone does unusual jobs in wartime.
Examples.
In Moscow. In New York. In Brooklyn.
We will do it in this way, she answered in loud voice. Tell me in your own words, please. He is always in good spirit. These skirts are no longer in fashion. Can you see me in this picture? Are you interested in history? She believes in free enterprise. Did you book a room in advance? Let's try to keep in touch. Did she get a degree in English?
Into.
Examples.
They went into the house. He jumped into the water. The book was translated into English. He has got into trouble. We will look into the matter.
Of.
Examples.
That's nothing to be ashamed of. I'm fully aware of the problem.
Examples.
He was accused of murder. He was acquitted of the charge.
He was convicted of fraud.
Do you think they are guilty or innocent of the crime?
Fond of. Full of. Get out of. Jealous of. Look out of. Remind of. Sure of. Take care of. Tired of. One of. Afraid of. Capable of. Come out of. Complain of. Confident of. Consist of. Die of. Dream of. Empty of. Fear of. Off.
Examples.
He fell off the ladder. The office is in a street off Piccadilly.
He is off duty. They went to an island off the west coast of Scotland. On.
Examples.
I usually do my shopping on Fridays. I met her on birthday. On Christmas Eve. On another occasion. On 2nd May. We got there on time. The girl likes the dress and she would like to try it on. The children are very dependent on their mother. There is a cat on the roof.
We live on the top floor.
On the left in the house.
Congratulations on your engagement. 2.
Examples.
We went to the movies last night. Tomorrow we are going to the theater. A visit to France to our friend is what I suggest. I want to go home.
Examples.
They have been very kind to me. He is generous to everyone. He said he was grateful to us. You mustn't be cruel to animals.
Examples.
This is obvious to most people. This book is very useful to all students. That is new to me. According to the newspaper, it will rain tomorrow.
Listen to. Similar to. Subscribe to. Thankful to. Throw to. Apologies to. Close to. Equal to. Kind to. Lie to. Till. Until.
Examples.
Wait till tomorrow. Wait until tomorrow. The Second World War lasted till 1945. The Second World War lasted until 1945. With.
Examples.
She is no longer angry with her husband. When Dick fell in love with Helen, the poor guy was trembling with fear.
Interfere with. Loaded with. Mix with. Stain with. Supply with. Tremble with. Warp with. Agree with. Busy with. Charged with. Compare with. Cover with. Crowded with. Cut with. Friendly with. Without.
Examples.
She left without telling anybody. You can't go around the world without a lot of money.